If you're seeing the error Explorer.exe system call failed, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it in 3 different ways. Let's get started. First, let's try a quick restart of Windows Explorer. Right-click on the taskbar and choose Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, scroll down and let's find Windows Explorer. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Restart. This will reload the desktop and taskbar. If the error goes away, you're good. If not, let's move on to method 2. From the search bar, let's type cmd, right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. SFC /scan now and press Enter. And just wait for it to complete. Once that finishes, type the second command, DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health and press Enter and let it finish. Once it's done, restart your computer to apply the changes. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you, and if it helped, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.